snapper. I'm cleaning it with vinegar and lemon. Yes, try it sometimes. Also, I have garlic powder, Mrs. Dash, and I believe what else I use? Pink Himalaya salt. Yeah, pink Himalaya salt. And yeah, that's a big piece of red snapper. Luckily, I got that for $15, but y'all know that's still high. Fresh garlic. Yes, I'm telling y'all, it's something. Then I add a little bit of chicken seasoning. Sometimes just a little. Then I had some olive oil. Now, olive oil is expensive, but if you can buy anything else, you can buy that too. I add some shrimp. Ain't that something? Then I stuffed the shrimp in the red snapper's mouth for display. Ain't that something? Yep. Then what I have come? Okay, I'm about to put it in the oven. Then, ooh, look at that baked potato. Yes, that's nice. Finished product. Oh yes. So that's pretty much it of me cooking red snapper. Peace and blessings. Holla, 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 holla. Yes.